Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Crypto Compass. This is a channel created to help traders, you know, those that are trading sports, futures, or derivative trading, to help them maximize their profit. To know what is going on globally. Fundamental analysis in the market. So on this video, what I'm going to, you know, to talk on this video is only the two coins that I know that are going to be bullish in 2025 and 2026. The altcoin that I know that are going to be bullish, number one, and no delisting in any exchange. So we are going to talk on these two coins that I know very well that are going to. Currently I'm in my S account, and also I'm scrolling down and I saw the post of SRP coin. So in this I'm going to show you the post, the tweet, and everything that SRP have been doing in their S account. Because so far the crypto space have been saying that SRP are going to do even 100x in the market. So this is what I think that the market is going to bring about SRP. So I'm currently on their S account, and if I scroll up, they are only reposting. Look at where they say fireworks income. No, I want to look at the last post of SRP. Okay, if you are going up, there is no post here that I know that are valid. It's only repost. And for me to say that this coin are going to do that SRP is going to do 100x in 2025, unless I watch their coin market cap. Coin market cap is the only place that you can find a legit any coin that is not in coin market cap. I don't buy it, bro. I don't buy it. So let me go to the coin market cap now. And if you don't have coin market cap in your mobile phone, I'm currently using my mobile device to do this video. And if you don't have it, just go to Play Store. Let me go to my Play Store now. You go to your Play Store, and you search on if you go to your Play Store, you go to your searching bar and just search coin market cap. Then you download it. So currently I have it in my mobile device, so I'm not going to download it, guys. Let me go to my coin market cap to know if SRP is going to do 100x. And this is just a simple way to analyze a fundamental analysis in a coin. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to their coin market cap to verify if this coin is going to do 100x in 2025 and 2026. So let me go to their searching bar now. I'm currently on coin market cap, where I do my fundamental analysis, anything that concerns coin and crypto. So let me search SRP so far. Okay, first of all, let's go to our dashboard. Let me go to normal interface of it. If you look at for past let me just say 24 hours, SRP have been in third position on coin market cap. Are you getting what I'm saying? It have been in third position in coin market cap, indicating a 1% go to buy this coin. If you look at this point here, let me use this. If you look at this point, this scenario here, you can see SRP in third here. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So, and then currently SRP is trading over 184.33 billion market cap. Is a 10x, 10x let me just say legit have to buy. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So coin market cap have been traders have been trading this coin for over 184.33 billion market cap now. So currently even their candle is also showing green. First of all, I won't, if this thing is just a scenario, one scenario. So I will not use only these fundamentals to go and buy this coin yet. First of all, I need to go to my searching bar. You go down here, you go to this searching bar at the bottom here, and you search on XRP here. SROP here. Yeah. So SROP, I click on SROP here. I touch on SROP. So far you can see that the market, I cannot begin to analyze this chart because I'm not trading. I'm only doing my fundamental analysis. What I want to know is the community and the market that I can buy this coin. So when I switch over to my community here, the community here, I click on it. So I will see the comments of people about this coin. Wait it, let it load. Okay, okay. Look at, so far people have been commenting 88% bullish in this coin. Are you seeing what I'm saying? So look at what Jojo Cry said. He said Wale, sorry, he said Wale alert or not. Report of a 60 million USD Wale by 19 million SRP up on or beat fueled excitement, but it turned out to be just an internal transfer. So he just making, let me just say, mockery. SRP has been trading sideways between 2.90 and 3.40, but the weekly chart is flashing a bearish divergence, price making higher highs while SI trend lower. The last time this setup appeared was late 2010. So people have been saying good about this coin, and if you go down you see that people have been saying good about this particular coin. But first of all, let me watch overview yet before I buy this coin. Just follow me, guys. Before I buy this coin, look at what I check. So first of all, I have to check their recent high. Okay, look at the all-time high of SRP is 3 point. I see what I'm seeing. 3.84 approximately to, let me just say, it's just 3.8. It's just 3.8. And look at their supply here. We have the mass supply and the total supply at the bottom of this place. And if you look at this is their mass supply and this is their total supply here. And so far we have 100 billion SRP supply, and total supply they have supplied so far to the community is only 99.998 billion SRP. So guys, on this video, I think that SRP is going to, even 100x is possible, because so far I have been in the X space, tracing this SRP, knowing whether this coin is going to be bullish or not, and I have find out that the kind of backup this coin have is so tight that even people have been talking about it. It's going to do an even 10x on 20 or 20x in the market space. So our last coin to talk about is Solana. So Solana have eaten all-time high this year. We saw Solana at 200 USD so far, and even above 200 USD. Is amazing. It's amazing, guys. So let's watch the community of Solana. First of all, you know how it's done. Go to your searching bar. Clean this SRP here, Solana. We click on it. We click on Solana. So let's watch your community here. Yeah. So far the community have been saying 85% bullish. So let's watch the comments of people so far. It says Solana gained 2.68% in 24 hours to 193.93 USD at performing BTC. Are you getting what I'm saying? So these two coins, I think they are going to hit Solana. I think that Solana is going to hit above 500 USDT this year. So far they have been saying it says Solana price is now retracing, as I said, it will bounce soon and hit 250. Are you seeing the prediction of professional traders? So are you getting what I'm saying? So let's go to their overview so far. Let us watch what Solana have been saying. So the total the mass supply here is invisible. So we are not going to predict on what they have so far to supply. And what you are going to do now is just head over to this top search here. Why is so price up today? You are going to see the question here and also the answer. So I just love this coin market cap because it give me prediction on the coin to buy. So let me click on this. Okay, look at it here. Look at the thought. It says Solana rose 1.84% over the last 24 hours, passing the broader crypto market 0.78%. Here are the main factors. You see ETF momentum, strong flow into the raise osprey so ETF signal, institutional demand, network activities, surge, record transaction, blah blah blah. All of this. So if you come to this market cap, you can trace this thing and read all of them. So we are not ready for that right now. So we are just seeing, look at the exchange you can buy this as a newbie. If you don't know the exchange that you can find, so even Solana is all of the crypto space exchanges. So I think, I think, I think, I think, I think that Solana will do amazing. We do amazing. Look at the all-time high of Solana, and so I think that any movement from Solana right now is going to pass all these time highs in the market. So guys, if you love this video, just comment and tell me the next coin you think you are going to buy, and support this channel by just clicking on that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and shalom.